most successful brand at Le Mans have just unveiled their new prize fighter.
Bringing two iconic groups together like Porsche and Penske to be the first manufacturer and the first team to show the first LMDH and see it running is huge.
It's really cool to see everything come to life, and really proud of where it's all come so far, and obviously still more to do until we're 100% ready to go racing.
It's actually the best place to reveal a race car. It's a huge atmosphere, it's a great atmosphere.